Hi YouTube, I'm Taylor and I'm back with another recipe. Today we're going to be making beef and broccoli with extra vegetables with rice. It's a very quick, very simple, very easy recipe. It's most of the ingredients you should already have in the home, but it's nothing to go to the store and go grab those ingredients and then yeah, let's cook. So first you're going to start off by cutting your steak into pieces. You can really cut them how you want to. You can cut them into big pieces or to small pieces. I decided to do mine in medium pieces. So you're going to see me cut it up and then season it with the seasonings of my choice. So I went ahead and I seasoned mine with some salt, some pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and chili powder. That's like usually the base that I use to season like majority of my food with. You can add any seasoning you like, or you can not use those specific seasonings. Those are just the seasonings that I use. And like I said, once I got done seasoning them, I just mixed it all together and then I put it to the side in the fridge to marinate. So now that my meat is in the fridge marinating, I'm going to cut up my veggies. I want to do more than just broccoli because I want to make it healthy. So I'm cutting up some green beans. I did bell peppers and onions. You can add any veggies you want if you want to add extra veggies. Ooh, mushrooms will also be a really good vegetable to put in here. But I just cut them up, and then while I was cutting up my veggies, I realized that I cut up my onions incorrectly. So I cut them correctly off camera, and then I just added everything into the pan. I had a wok pan, and I added everything to my wok pan. I put some oil in it, let it get hot. Then I add my veggies in there, and I let them cook up. So while my veggies were cooking, I decided to start on my sauce before I added my meat in. And it's just basic as a little cornstarch, a little soy sauce, and then a little honey. You can adjust the measurements to however you like. If you like it a little bit more salty, add more soy sauce, then you'll add honey. I also added salt and pepper as well. If you want it a little more sweeter, add more honey, then you add the soy sauce. I don't really measure how much I use. I just pretty much go based off of how I like to taste. And then if you have some minced garlic, you can add that to that sauce as well. It's going to make the sauce really good. I just ran out of minced garlic. And then I add my meat into the pan. I brown it up a little bit before I add the sauce in there, because the sauce with the cornstarch is going to make it a little thick, so which is what we want. But I just want my meat to be a little brown before I add the sauce in there, and then just make it the concoction that it will be. And this is about the finished product. You can add in your other seasonings as you would like, just to taste it, like a little salt, little pepper. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes coming soon. Thank you.